Okay, guys. Oh my God. I went to a Walmart today as I moved places, and I moved to another side of town. I found the Nightstorm, which is the one I've always wanted from Series 36. I have not seen this, but over here in this new area where I am, I found it. Here's the back of it: the Blue Thunder Chase piece, the Dragon Overcharge, Earthshaker, Fastro, Gravedigger with the 3D skull. I didn't find it. I was looking for it. I didn't find it. Mohawk Warrior, Monster Mutt, and the Tempest Steed, which I'm gonna get next week. I saw all of them, so I'm gonna get the whole case. I really want the Gravedigger, which I'm waiting for, and the Fastro Van. It's pretty cool. There's a box. Nightstorm. So this is a new area I'm gonna record, but I'll record in my room so I don't have tears right now. Ooh, okay, here it is, guys. Look at this nice shark. Isn't that a beauty? Look at that. That is so nice. Look at this. The purple roll cage and rims and beadlocks. It's like a panther, which is really nice. There's a nose, a teeth. Nightstorm Mostram logo. The rubber ears, rubber tail. This is so nice. I'm glad I found it today. So that's all I got today, guys. I only had enough for that. Like, subscribe, comment, share, guys. More unboxings coming soon. Peace out, and hope you all enjoyed.